So we're going to now try to understand how can we use a spreadsheet to draw a graph, and we can actually then use these to try to test to see whether or not we've drawn it correctly. So it's a really good skill to know how to do as well. So we'll start off with a nice simple one, which is a table of results with how many boys, how many girls in my school. So let's say it's quite a small school. We're going to have 55 boys and 45 girls. So how would I? This is going to be. We're going to do a bar chart. We could do a pie chart, but we're going to do a bar chart, and maybe we can have a go at both in a moment. So how would we do this? So we want to click on that. If the tools aren't showing, we want to click on that, and then we want to click. I think it's this icon here. Insert chart. Let's click that icon. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. So it doesn't. It says no data. That's because it doesn't know what information it wants to plot. So if I maybe click on these three dots here, edit chart, and we're going to say so now we get to pick. So it doesn't call it a bar chart. Oh, so bar charts seem to be horizontal and column seems to be vertical, but that's fine. So data range. So what we're going to do is we're just going to say, I want it to be this data. Oh, let's try that again. Okay, edit chart. So we go to data range, and I think we have to click this. Okay, yes. Now I could type it. A1 is here, and then it goes. So it goes. But let's select it. So if I click on that, then I do Shift to the right, and now I've highlighted all that, and I click OK. And instantly we've got a bar chart. So that's what it would look like. Now, what I could do with actually is having, I would like that to be labeled. It's not labeled at the moment. So how can I do that? Use row 1 as headers. Let's see. No. Use column A as headers. No. Series 1 in school. Okay, I'm not quite sure how to. Let's click customize. Chart and axis title. Okay, so I can give it a title, number of people in my school. What else can I do? I can change the font if I wanted it, and let's close that. And we've got chart style. I can change how it looks. I can make it 3D. Let's leave it 3D. That looks kind of cool. Let's go to series and number in my school. Left axis. Data labels. Oh, that's quite cool. I can't work out why it won't do the label the y-axis. Let's hide that. Okay, legend is just a key, so it'll tell you what's what. We don't need that. Looked at that already. Let's have a look at vertical axes. Show axis line. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not much good. Okay, well, we're getting most of the way there, but that is how to plot the graph. I'm not quite sure why we can't label the y-axis at the moment, but yeah. Okay,